How to remove Volvo's tail light full guide. Most people get this wrong, but removing a Volvo's tail light is easier than it looks. You won't believe how quickly you can do it with basic tools. First, open the trunk and locate the tail light assembly. Remove the trunk liner or any covering panels to access the mounting screws or bolts. Keep track of all fasteners for reinstallation. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors. Most tail lights have one or two plugs for brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. Press the tabs carefully and pull the connectors out without forcing them. Now, remove the screws or bolts holding the tail light in place. Use a suitable screwdriver or socket wrench. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the tail light assembly out. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the lens or damaging the paint. If replacing the bulb, do it now. Twist and remove the old bulb, then insert a new one. Check that it fits securely and matches the correct type for your Volvos. Finally, reinstall the tail light by reversing the steps. Align the assembly, secure it with screws or bolts, and reconnect electrical plugs. Replace the trunk liner or covering panels, and test all lights to ensure proper operation. In conclusion, removing a Volvo's tail light involves accessing screws, disconnecting electrical connectors, carefully removing the assembly, and reinstalling it. With patience and proper handling, you can complete this task safely and efficiently.